finally got my quick hitch on. What I end up doing, this is BE Ag and Industrial, but it's made in China, and it's really a poor design. But I bought it. The company I work for sells stuff like this, and it worked out pretty good. It took a lot of work. The main problem I had was getting these on. The one that actually came with the hitch did not fit. I was going to save it and put it on here to make a perfect match, but it did not fit. So I ended up going down to a local tractor supply, buying those and putting those on. But the one that came with here, China made, evidently the inside diameter was wrong. And so I was able to take it and put it on another implement that I have over there. The King Cutter finish more, it fits on it. So I was able to stick it on there. Picked up a blade here, and so I was able to put it on the blade. Some bushings on it. But the one that came with the hitch, that fit on here perfect. And so that's what I'm going to use them on. I'm going to refurb this. I'll polish it up a little bit. May even put some paint on it. But I got a belt for it. They check the gears and stuff out. And get some pieces for it. But the bushings, they do work. Kubota B2650 with cab. Like I said, the bushings came from Tractor Supply. Put those in. This is another name for the hitch there. And it worked out pretty good. I'm probably going to lower it down a little bit more, go back and do some more brush hogging. I bought this second week in July, and had a problem with the seal leaking. So it looks like it's working out pretty good on the gearbox. And I did not have to buy another shaft. That was one of my concerns. This shaft was long enough, and I still had my 6 inches overlap even after extending it out. So you can see where it normally goes right here, and then it went out to here. But so I'm in good shape. I was able to extend it. Lubed up the PTO shaft. Lubed up the gearbox shaft. Put everything back in there. Need to snap my covers back together on it. And then we'll get back out here and finish brush hogging on top of the hill there. And fortunately, it worked out pretty good. This is the adjustable top link. And it fit down. And I put these on here just to make it a little bit easier. Probably don't need two, but they sent 2 bolts, so I just bought 2 of those. Probably should have just bought 1. But here it is. BE Ag and Industrial. Quick hitch. Got it on.